Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. In today's video, we're talking antioxidants. Now, I think an antioxidant serum is a must-have in a good anti-aging skincare routine, but they remain the unsung heroes of the skincare world. Antioxidants deliver so many great benefits for our skin, and yet nobody really talks about them or gives them the credit I think that they deserve. Well, I'm going to put that right in today's video and share with you what antioxidants are, the benefits of incorporating one in your own skincare routine, and of course, you know at the end of this video, we're going to talk about the best of the best when it comes to antioxidant serums. So I want you to sit back, relax, let's talk all things antioxidants. Now, I want this to be short, sharp, and to the point. I've got a fair amount to say when it comes to antioxidants, but I really want to break it down, demystify them, so you can work out the best one for your own skincare routine. Before we jump straight on in, I would love it if you'd sound off in the comment section below and let me know what antioxidant serums you reach for. Are there any that you want to shout about? Because your recommendations really do shape the products that I try in the future. Hopefully, whilst you're down there, you'll also want to give this video a big thumbs up and a like. I want to get that message out there that antioxidants are amazing and just about everyone should have one in their skincare routine. A great way of helping me to achieve that is to give the video a thumbs up, because that will encourage YouTube to distribute it to a wider audience so more people can hear this message and learn about our fabulous Mad About Skin family. So for everybody that shows a little love and support to each and every one of my videos, thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart, I love you all so much. Now, with all that being said, shall we just cut the waffle and delve straight on in? And I guess the best place to start is, what are antioxidants? Well, antioxidants are fairly commonplace, and a lot of skincare ingredients do have antioxidant properties. What we mean by that is they prevent oxidative stress in the skin caused by free radicals. So free radicals are around us day in, day out. They're such things as pollution, particulate matter, certain wavelengths of light, blue light. All of these things can hit the skin, stress our cells out and cause premature aging, hyperpigmentation, and a loss of firmness and elasticity in the skin. These are all things that we want to avoid, and antioxidants are fantastic at preventing them. The way that they work is they actually grab onto those free radicals and prevent that damage before it takes place. They kind of take the hit from us, which is why I think they're a fantastic addition to your skincare routine, and they work really well alongside your SPF, your sun protection, which should double down on all your skin's natural defenses. So a good skincare routine always ends with a broad spectrum SPF, which protects against certain wavelengths of light. Your antioxidant will then take it a step further and prevent against other things which can cause inflammation, sensitivity, and premature aging in the skin. Whilst some sunscreens are now formulated with antioxidants as standard, which I love to see, I always think it's worth adding an additional antioxidant serum in your skincare routine to just make sure you've got all the bases covered. Now, whilst hopefully you're sold on the benefits of antioxidants, and I genuinely think everybody can benefit from incorporating one in their skincare routine, the good news is we probably have some level of antioxidant protection in our existing skincare routine. That's because quite a lot of our common and holy grail skincare ingredients do, as an additional benefit, have some antioxidant protection. I'm talking about niacinamide, retinol, vitamin C. All of these have primary functions, but as like a secondary benefit, will provide some antioxidant benefit too. The reason I think it's worth having a standalone antioxidant serum in your routine is not all antioxidants work the same way, and not all of them are equal. Different ones have different specific benefits, and that's what I'm going to come on to in this section of the video, hopefully helping you guys reach for the right antioxidant for whatever you're looking in terms of outcomes and helping you to achieve your skin goals. So first and foremost, let's start with coenzyme Q10. Now, the reason I want to start here is I think this is probably the best advertised and best understood of all the antioxidants. It's also the cheapest to formulate with, which I love because it's also one of my favorites. So with coenzyme Q10, you get a fantastic amount of antioxidant protection, but it's also the energy that our cells need to go about their day-to-day lives and stay as healthy and in tip-top condition. You get those dual benefits of energizing the cells whilst also delivering some fantastic antioxidant protection. I think coenzyme Q10 is like the gold standard, and because it's so inexpensive to formulate with, you can get some fantastic serums based around coenzyme Q10 at drugstore and affordable price points, really proving that you don't need to break the bank to get great antioxidant protection. Some of my holy grail favourites in the Q10 market are of course my own serum. This is the Mad About Skin Got You Covered Super Serum, which I created with my favourite antioxidant as standard. This is a great concentration of coenzyme Q10 to energise the skin, but also to deliver that fantastic antioxidant protection. It's formulated alongside some other great antioxidants such as vitamin C derivative. You've also got some great botanical extracts in here which are going to give some antioxidant protection too. It's just a really nice multi-purpose, multifunctional serum. If you did want to get your hands on this or any of the other products that I mentioned in today's video, they're all linked in the description box below, so check them out, it's all there for your convenience. This can also come with a 15% discount if you use the code MASFamily, all one word, all capital letters at checkout, because you know what, who doesn't love a little extra saving? But I obviously chose coenzyme Q10 for my own products because for me, it is my absolute favourite of all of the available antioxidants. However, you don't need to just shop my skincare brand to get a little coenzyme Q10 action in your life. There's some other great brands out there that deliver this ingredient. So one of my favourites is this. This is the Revox Coenzyme Q10 Serum, a fantastic drugstore and affordable Q10 formulation. It doesn't have as many active ingredients in as the Mad About Skin serum, but that's not a problem because actually it'll just slot beautifully into your existing skincare routine, giving you a little extra antioxidant action, and I think this comes in at around the €5 price point. Beautifully affordable, but really, really high performance when it comes to delivering antioxidants. I also want to give a shout out to the Incilist Q10 serum. I know this is a holy grail for so many of you guys out there. Beautifully affordable, again, has that Q10 as the core active ingredient within it, and it's really nice and hydrating, making it a great option for anyone that has a little dryness to their complexion. This, alongside the Revox or my own brand, are all you need if you want to include coenzyme Q10 in your skincare routine. They all layer beautifully and will just dial up the amount of antioxidants in your life without needing to break the bank. Now, I said Q10 was just amazing. It's an all-round star performer in the antioxidant market, but there are some other antioxidants that have a more specific function, and I'm going to come on to those in this section of the video. So let's start with pycnogenol. So impossible to say, impossible to spell, which is why I've left links in the description box to these products, because try googling that, you'll never spell it right. I certainly can't anyway. But this is a fantastic, very specific in terms of its function antioxidant. So the way that pycnogenol works is it binds to collagen and elastin in the skin, protecting it specifically. So if you're looking to maintain firmness and elasticity in the skin as a core element of your anti-aging skincare routine, pycnogenol probably will be the antioxidant of choice for you. It's a beautiful, beautiful ingredient that layers really well with just about everything else in your skincare routine, meaning it's super, super flexible. It can be a little bit tricky to get your hands on, and you do have to pay a little bit more in terms of the price point than the Q10 serums I've just mentioned, but I think it's absolutely worth it if anti-aging is your core skin concern. Some of my favourites are this. This is the pycnogenol from The Ordinary, what I'd say was like the original and really, really a superstar standout performer. This costs around £10 here in the UK now. That price point has gone up a little bit, but I still think it's a great investment. If you want to use pycnogenol as your anti-aging antioxidant, this is a really, really nice option. If you don't mind just splashing the cash a little bit, paying a little bit more to get a little bit more, then you can of course reach for the Neod Survival. Such a stunning product. The Survival Zero by Neod has 15 different mechanisms of providing antioxidant protection, one of which is pycnogenol. So you're not just getting that pycnogenol hit, you're getting so much more in this product, which is why I think it's worth paying a little extra to just really dial up the intensity of the antioxidant in your skincare routine. Pycnogenol, I think, is doing a lot of the heavy lifting in this product, which is why I'm calling it out in this category, but it's so much more than that, and one of my absolute favourite antioxidant serums. Now let's talk resveratrol and ferulic acid. These are two different styles of antioxidants, but you often see them formulated together in antioxidant serums. Resveratrol and ferulic acid are fantastic because they actually work really well alongside vitamin C. I already said earlier in the video that vitamin C is one of those commonplace antioxidants that you might already have in your skincare routine. Once an antioxidant attaches itself to a free radical, it itself becomes oxidized, which means it no longer functions. Whereas resveratrol and ferulic acid both recharge, re-energize your vitamin C, meaning it can go on working stronger for longer in terms of your skincare routine. This is fantastic because I love when you find those skincare ingredients that just pair beautifully well together, are like in synergy and actually work to double down on the benefit of each other component. This is a true way of getting maximum benefit from your skincare routine. So I'd say if you already have a vitamin C, particularly an ascorbic or an L-ascorbic acid serum in your skincare routine, it might be worth reaching for resveratrol or ferulic acid as your antioxidant of choice because it'll just work in synergy with them to get you maximum benefit from both styles of these products. It's a fantastic way of minimizing oxidative stress, but also doubling down on the benefit of your vitamin C serum. And who doesn't like a little extra bang for our buck when it comes to skincare? Now finally, let's talk vitamin E. I think a lot of people reach for vitamin E for its hydrating and its nourishing properties, of which honestly are game changing. I think it's such a simple ingredient, yet adds so much value. However, vitamin E is also a powerful antioxidant. It's the one that I would choose if you have a very dry skin type. That's because it'll hydrate and nourish the skin alongside delivering you maximum antioxidant protection. I've left links in the description box for some of my favourite vitamin E based moisturisers that I would definitely recommend. It's worth reading the ingredients list of different products to find the right one for you, but if you have a very dry skin type, vitamin E could help offset that alongside adding you some great oxidative stress preventing antioxidants into your routine, and this is probably the one that I'd reach for. So there you have it, guys, a rundown of my favourite antioxidants. Of course, these are just 4 of the actual ones that are available to us in the skincare market, and there's so many other different antioxidants out there. So if you're already sold and think, yes, I need an antioxidant in my life, either reach for one of these 4 or do a little extra research and find the right one for you. It's all about matching the antioxidant that you choose from what you're really looking to get out of it. For me, I reach for Q10 day in, day out because I like the fact it energizes the skin alongside that fantastic antioxidant potential. It's also available at beautiful drugstore price points. That's why it's the antioxidant for me. However, if you're looking for some advanced anti-aging, then reach for pycnogenol, which I think can really help support the collagen and elastin levels in the skin. Resveratrol and ferulic acid are fantastic if you adore your vitamin C's and want to get maximum benefit from it. And of course, vitamin E if you're super dry in terms of your skin type and want hydration alongside antioxidant benefit. I would love to know what your go-to antioxidant serums are, so sound off in the comment section below. And wherever you are in the world, guys, stay safe, stay well, and love your skin. Take care. Bye.